Addiction, manipulation, fake news, filter bubbles. These are just some of the challenges we face every day on social media. These platforms are designed to keep us hooked, often without caring about our mental well-being. We end up stuck in echo chambers, seeing the same stuff over and over again. This leads to stress, misinformation, and a narrow view of the world. How can we make our social media use healthier and more positive? Meet Crazzone, the app that helps you take back control of your online life for the best possible experience. With gamification, Crazzone invites you to join an intermittent digital fast to better manage your online time. This program is customized by an AI coach based on your habits. During these breaks, the AI coach gives you epistemic recipes to build your critical thinking and boost your online awareness. Every day, you'll get fun challenges like diversifying your feed. Just enter your favorite topics, and the coach will suggest cool content to broaden your perspective and help you learn more. This helps you avoid algorithm traps and encourages mindful browsing. These tips will pop up as reminders before you go online, keeping you focused and in control. With Crazzone, you can gradually take charge of the content you consume, maximizing positive influences for your mental and physical well-being. Check out Crazzone, your buddy for a more balanced and enriching online life.